Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. The next is a pretty straightforward question. You are given a system of linear equations and we need a non-trivial solution. So we know that that is true when the coefficient determinant is 0. So we'll simply get 1 lambda minus 1 lambda minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. This turns out to be 1 times lambda plus 1 minus lambda times minus lambda squared plus 1 minus lambda squared plus 1 times minus 1 times again lambda plus 1, and this is 0. So these two cancel directly and you can easily see that the solution is lambda is equal to 0 or 1 or minus 1. So there are exactly 3 values of lambda, which means the answer is option 4. This completes the solution. Thank you.